Hi, how are you? This is Abel Tejeda, the mortgage guy. Today I'm talking to you guys from my home office here in San Diego, California. I hope everybody's staying safe because of the whole COVID-19 situation we're going through. Uh, our office is closed, but we're still operating. My team and I, Tim and I, are still working. Obviously, everybody from their homes. But I wanted to shoot that video and send it to you guys to let you guys know and give you an update of what's going on with the market at the moment, because there seems to be a lot of confusion, and I'm getting calls constantly with people that don't know what's going on and would like to know what's going on. So the first thing is that I'm pretty sure you guys have heard that the Fed lowered rates. Let me tell you one thing, that doesn't necessarily mean or translate into lower mortgage rates for mortgage holders. That, what the Fed lowers, it's the Fed funds rate. So it's the rate at which banks lend money to each other, not the rate at which you as a mortgage holder is able to refinance your loan. Yes, I guess in a way it does affect it, but it's not a direct indicator that rates should be lowered. Now, even though rates are at an all-time low, it doesn't mean rates are at 0%, because that's the Fed funds rate. That's where it is at the moment, and that's what's creating confusion all around, because people are actually calling asking for 2% interest rates, and right now they're not there. Yes, they're low, but they're not quite there. Number two, banks, a lot of lending institutions are actually shutting down. Either shutting down or suspending lending operations, pretty much not taking any more loans in. Why? Because of what's happening. Obviously, they expect a lot of defaults. They expect a lot of people not paying their mortgage and requesting help, forbearance. You can go from 3 to 12 months without making a mortgage payment. There are different ways they're going to go about it. There are some people or some banking institutions that claim they will forgive that debt. Another one say they're going to put it towards the end. So basically, let's say it's kind of like a modification, and once you refinance or sell the house, you're gonna let's say your mortgage payment was $1,000 and you didn't pay for 12 months. So you're going to have a small second, and it's not in all cases, but this is the way it mostly will work. When you talk to your mortgage lender, ask them the dynamics or how it will be structured. But let's say you don't make payments for 12 months. So at the end of the 12 of your 30 years, or when you sell the house or refinance, you will have to pay that money back. It's not free money. So keep that in mind. So having said that, a lot of banks want to wait to see what's going to happen with everything that's going on before they keep lending or resume lending. That's the bad news. The good news is that there are plenty of other banks that are actually lending. FHA, VA, conventional. Some banks are tightening up on their guidelines for people that are self-employed, the bank statement loans. They're harder to do. A lot of people will not be able to refinance or cash out at the moment, but the best thing to do right now is to educate yourself. Don't trust everything you hear in the news. If you want to know what's going on for your particular situation, call me. My team and I, like I mentioned, we are still working. We're still advising. Everything is the same for us, just we're limited with our resources, but we're doing the most with what we have. So just like you, we're here, literally here at my home office 8-10 hours a day, trying to figure things out for you guys, my clients, and try to decipher which way to go. But if you want to know, please give us a call. That way we can go over your scenario and let you know what options you have at the moment. Because remember, this is changing day by day, hour by hour. So what was available last week or even yesterday is no longer available today, because rates are taking such huge swings up and down. The best thing is to do an analysis of your situation, and then go from there. Decide, I'll be the first one to tell you, you know what, at the moment, just stay put. Let's wait until this passes, and then we'll revisit your situation. But if you want to take money out, if you want to refinance, if you want to lower your payment, please reach out to us. We're still in business, we're still operating, and here to serve you guys. Please stay safe, and if you have any questions, phone number 619-948-2996. Take care.